was dark, but it didn't look as if a storm was coming. And then, suddenly, this heavy wind started blowing.
The severe weather took Daniel Eshti by surprise, like most people across the Baltimore area. Rain and winds reaching more than 60 miles per hour came through suddenly Wednesday morning.
It was very loud, and it started raining, and the wind was very strong. And then we suddenly started hearing the sirens.
The damage reports started coming in shortly after. A tree fell on a car near Johns Hopkins University, another one down on Charles Street near Cold Spring Lane in North Baltimore. Another big problem, power outages. Lines down on Greenspring Valley Road near Greenspring Avenue caused the power to go out, and drivers at the intersection of Falls Road and Cold Spring Lane had to navigate their way with the stoplight that didn't work. And some residents at the Padonia Village Apartments in Timonium had to evacuate when a tree slammed into the roof of their building.
It looks quite dangerous if some people were inside, because it's a substantial damage for people staying on the other side. It must have been very scary.
No injuries, but neighbors like Eshti say their hearts go out to the residents affected.
It's bad. I don't think people will live in that particular unit for some time until it's repaired.
Also today, 7 schools in Baltimore City were without power. Most of those had power restored within a couple of hours. 2, though, still were without power at dismissal time today. Reporting live in Timonium, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.